Hey, what's going on, guys? Schmidt here. Now this is how Chicagoland should be. And some snow. It's about darn time. Took my sled. It's about, I don't know, it's like 4:30. I got home around 3. Took my sled out and my tracks are already covered. See? Track there, track there. I went to the cornfield about a mile down that way, so I put a good probably 25 miles on it. It's Thursday. It's supposed to stay, the snow's supposed to stay all night tonight, maybe tomorrow morning too. My guess is we got about 5 inches right now, and it's still supposed to snow like this all night. So hopefully, they said 4 to 8 inches, so we got our 4. So we got 5, so we're just gonna keep climbing the ladder. If it stopped, I'll be more than happy with this, but keep going, snow, keep going. I would show you my sled, but it's in the backyard, and I'm waiting for my buddy's dad. We're gonna go, gotta go work at his, got a snowblower driveway. I mean, it's coming down hard. We're under a winter storm warning. But I mean, I'll make some footage either tonight, tomorrow on my ride. Tomorrow I might go with my neighbor and my dad with the 700. But the 700 is doing a lot better. It's idling better. I think it's just the belt. There's my snowblower. Feel bad for my dad. He works for Miller. He's working on. He should be home around like 5, or no, not even 3. But he's not even home yet. So, yep, I did my driveway also. This is how hard it was coming down. I did my driveway at 4, or at 3. Oh shit, my neighbor. Okay, well, there's that. My neighbor got stuck. My neighbor. I think she saw me. But, yep.